What's up, everybody? So I'm coming to you with another video. This is an unboxing and I'm very excited about this. I did not think I was going to get a box as big as I got, and we're going to talk about it. So you ready? Here we go. Really? Really? Y'all use that big ass box for these two little ass boxes? Now I know what this is, but I'm doing this to make a point here. So we're gonna open these two boxes, yeah? Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a chair, so I'm back. Really? Really? We'll talk in a minute. All right, so I knew what was going to be in that box. I knew exactly what it was. It still didn't work, but that's neither here nor there. Don't bring me this big box when I know your fulfillment center has an array of boxes to take care of that situation. It was a handset and a cord. There's no reason for you to send me something that large. Heck, you sent that to my house and it's not a big deal for me. What if I wasn't home for that and somebody thought that I had some big router or something, some big switch, and they decided to just take it and then they get it home and they pissed off? Well, joke's on you. All it was a damn handset and a cord. Don't send stuff out to people like that with that large footprint. And you're probably wondering, well, what do you care? You know, I got to figure out what to do with that big ass box. Like I really do at this point. And then with consumables, you're not required to return the actual handset and cord. So I don't have to worry about sending it back, thank God. But still, like, what if I had to return that in that huge box and I had to pay for it? No. Once again, this is getting really, really fun. And I really thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.